The fall of the Gavo, Anita Mong's siege, and the shillings 1.7 billion reckoning. The political landscape in Kampala has shifted violently this week. For the first time in Uganda's history, an outgoing speaker is under active criminal investigation while her successor is being decided by secret ballot and has already happened. What began as a service awards controversy has spiraled into a full-scale security crackdown that has effectively cordoned off the leadership of the 11th Parliament. First of all, the House under guard, office raids and confiscations. The CID and military operatives have officially moved from investigation to containment. As you may already know, on May the 19th, 2026, forensic teams launched a 16-hour raid on the offices of outgoing Speaker Anita Among and the clerk to Parliament, Adolphe Message. Asset Caesar, security forces have recovered several luxury vehicles from Among's residence in Nakasero and Kigo, fueling allegations of illicit enrichment. There is also the siege defense. Amongst absence from the high-stakes NRM Central Executive Committee, the CEC meeting, was not a snap, according to New Vision, but a survival tactic. Our team claims she is unable to move freely after her security details was compromised and her transport fleet seized. Secondly, the shillings 1.7 billion summons. Mpuga and the commissioners. The IGG has reignited the probe into the controversial May 2022 Service Awards. While the High Court previously provided a legal shield for these payments, the IGG's fresh summons target the procedural handshakes that saw Matthias Mpuga walk away with shillings 500 million and other commissioners with shillings 400 million each. The Among connection. So court documents and meeting minutes now being scrutinized suggest Among didn't just provide over the house. She actively shared the specific meeting that authorized these payouts, placing her at the center of the abuse of office charge, the hand of Anaira, Obot, and the succession. The 11th Parliament's unopposed culture has finally made its march in the 12th Parliament, following intense pressure from the Patriotic League of Uganda, that's PLU, and a loss of support from the President. Anita Among officially withdrew from the speakership race on May the 17th, 2026. Now, the new front runner, that's Jacob Obot, West Budama South, as much as the new speaker who was designated alongside Thomas Tayeba, positioned to retain this role as deputy speaker under the PLU's endorsement, and they won. The Bukedea showdown is also there. While Among successfully secured her seat in Bukedea by seeing off rivals like Eliana Cole and Norma Okedi through legal disqualification, that local victory has not translated into national immunity inside. This isn't just a corruption probe, it's a systemic dismantling of the old parliamentary guard. The transition to the 12th Parliament is being defined by a zero-tolerance narrative that is using the shillings 1.7 billion award as the primary lever for leadership change. How would you like to frame the upcoming script regarding the Muhoozi-Fix influence on these specific CID rates? Let me know, and also let me know if you think Anita Among's victory unopposed in Bukedea should be challenged and, if possible, ousted.